Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to activate Amazon Pay Later. All you need to do is just open the Amazon application in your mobile, then tap on the three lines in the bottom right corner. And now from the screen, make sure that you are on Amazon India. So let's go ahead and change the region. To do that, scroll down and tap on region. You will be taken to the screen right here. From there, go ahead and make sure that you are under Indian Amazon, of course, for this option to work properly. Now quick from there, tap on accounts, wait for this page to load up and scroll down until you find Pay Later or Amazon Pay Later. Tap on it, and from here you need to check your eligibility for this option. So tap right here to go and check. Now we need to go ahead and fill up these gaps correctly with your correct information and then check the box at the bottom. Of course, we are going to start by names and then phone number and all the information needed basically in this page. After that, you can go ahead and tap on submit and they will get back to you soon with as a result and will tell you if your account is compatible and eligible with Amazon Pay Later, and just like that they will activate it for you. So that's it for this video. I hope this video was helpful. If it is, like it and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.